In this video, I will show you how to set up your GT6000 Mobilis and portable sampling system to perform emission measurements portably. Now, take your analyzer out of the Pelican case and put it next to the PSS. Remember to put your analyzer on its side so it doesn't fall while measuring. Also, don't put any units on top of each other. You can see the analyzer has a modular design, so it is easy to move around and it fits to narrow places. We have also added an ergonomic handles to GT6000 Mobilis and portable sampling system, so moving would be a lot easier. Now we can connect the heated lines. First, the heated line between sampling system and the analyzer. First, you open the support hatches from its side. And then you put the heated line through the strap and start screwing the heated line first with your fingers and then with size 14 wrench, but not too tight. Then tighten the straps and connect the heated line power cable. Then you can do the same thing for the probe heated line and sample out outlet line. For the outlet line, you need to use size 16 wrench and remember to point the outlet line downwards. After you have connected the heated lines, you can put your insulation rings over the heated line connectors to prevent cold spots and condensation. Now you can connect the power cables between the analyzer and sampling system. Every unit, analyzer, portable sampling system and probe have their own power cables, so you will need 3 power sockets. And now the communication cable between analyzer and portable sampling system. When the power cables are connected, you can turn the analyzer and sampling system on by pressing the button under here. And the portable sampling system can be turned on here. So now the analyzer and PSS will take about 1 hour to warm up, depending on conditions. While you are waiting your analyzer to heat up, you can make your connections to tablet or your computer. With GT6000 Mobilis, you can use Bluetooth, Wi-Fi station mode, or the basic cable to connect your devices. If you want to choose the Bluetooth, you can select the Bluetooth with the connection switch on your analyzer. If you have a tablet like I do, it should already be connected to your analyzer by us, and you can just check the hardware status on your tablet. If you are using your computer, you can find the connection instructions from your GT6000 user manual. And while you are waiting, you can check your temperature from Gasmet hardware status. And the analyzer should be ready when it's stabilized to 180 degrees Celsius. In portable sampling system, this light will tell you when unit is ready to use. This light is yellow when system is warming up, red in case of an error, and green when it's ready. In case of red light, check your Gasmet for error. Now the temperature is 180 degrees, so you can start your background measurements. For the background measurements, you can connect your nitrogen bottle to the portable sampling system zero gas valve. After background, your analyzer is ready and you can start the measurements.